Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here at Crane Landing, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Avery floor plan. It's part of the townhome collection that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Avery here is a 1,400 square foot townhome, 3-bed, 2.5 bath. Let's take a look at this wonderful layout. So as soon as you come inside, you have the staircase going upstairs, but we're going to focus on the downstairs area first. Off to my right here, you've got a couple different doors. Here you have under stair storage here. And then right next to that, you have the powder room here. So you've got the single sink and the commode. And then right behind me, that is your garage entry there to your one-car garage. And then this opens up into a nice great room space here. So you have your dedicated dining spot here. You've got your sliders leading out to the lanai. Nice little living room space. And then you have the kitchen right here in the corner as well, with a nice island space with a few spots for seating. Let's run upstairs and take a look at the bedroom areas. All right, so coming up the staircase here, folks, as soon as we get towards the top, directly on our right-hand side, you're gonna find the guest bedrooms as well as your laundry space. So here's your laundry space here. It's a full-size washer and dryer setup. So you've got plenty of room there along with some extra storage. Then you've got your guest bedrooms here. There's one. Here's the next. And you also have the guest bathroom here with the singular sink, the commode, the combination tub and shower. And you do have a nice linen closet right outside the guest bath as well. Last but not least, here in the Avery Townhome, you have the master bedroom. So that is a king-size bed there for perspective. To the side here, you have a really nice sized walk-in closet. And then you've got the master bath. And you've got the dual sinks. You've got the private enclosed water closet right there. And right behind the door here, you have your standalone shower. All right, folks, so this is the Avery Townhome. If you're interested in this floor plan or one of other Lennar's communities as well, just reach us at all the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee. We appreciate you watching.